इधर गया भाई था। दिख रहा है क्या? नहीं ना, दिख रहा है? हाँ।
दिख रहा है सर।
सो योगिक थेरेपी में अपन डाइट के बारे में बात करने लगे। कंसेप्ट्स एंड डाइट्स, टाइप्स ऑफ डाइट इन ट्रेडिशनल योगा टेस्ट। The physical body is made of anna food. Every part of the food eaten goes toward the building up of different parts of the body. The quality of food we take influence the state of the mind. That is an मनोमय क्वेश्चन। अभी डिफरेंट टेक्स्ट जो बात किया है डाइट के बारे में, चरक संहिता, आहार संभव, वस्तु रोगः च आहार संभव। Food is the cause of the substance or the matter in the body. It is the cause of the disease as well as this one. Ayurveda places great emphasis on food. The treat of the every disease includes what food are to be taken or avoided in that period. How the food is to be regulated is given in the next slide. Then, समित वैद्य जीवन में क्या बोलते हैं? पत्ते सति गर्दस्य किम सौद्य निसेवनम। पत्ते अस्ति गदर्थस्य किम सौद निसेचनम। Yes, in Patya and Apatya, in Ayurveda, upon dekha upon, or a person who follows Patya, that which is good for him, especially the food. What is the need of medicine? And for the person who does not follow Patya, that is Apatya, what is the need for medicine? Implying that the medicine will not work. Hippocrates, the father of allopathy, state, let food be that medicine. Yoga and diet are complementary to each other. Diet aids progress in yoga and attainment of pleasant state of mind, and that in turn helps the better digestion, absorption, and assimilation of nutrients due to proper functioning of the system. Bhagavad Gita classifies the food based on three gunas, which is mentioned in the next slide. 17.8 आयु सत्व बल आरोग्य सुख प्रीति विवर्धना रस्या स्निग्धा स्थित हृदय आहार सात्विक अप्रिय सात्विक अप्रिय food that increases the vitality, essence, strength and stamina, health, happiness and cheerfulness. That which is juicy, oleaginous, has long lasting effects and is palatable to the whole system are liked by the sattvic people. Food that is which is freshly cooked, fruits, vegetables, and geese are some of the examples of such food. This is as per Bhagavad Gita. Hatava Pradipika सामने नहीं है. What is sattvic food that Bhagavad Gita stated? कटु अलम्ब लवण अत्युष्ण तीक्ष्ण रुक्षः विदाहीनः आहार राजसस्तेः दुःख सो काम्यप्रदः. Food that is too bitter, sour, hot, salty, hot, spicy, dry, fried are liked by Rajasi people and they cause pain and sorrow and disease. Then come to the tamasic food. Yata etam gata rasam कूली परियुषितनम च यतः उच्चिदाष्टमिः च अमेध्यम भोजनम तामसप्रियम. Food that is which is cooked more than 3 hours before being eaten, tasteless, stale, putrid, decomposed, and unclean is liked by tamasic people. Then अपना खाने स्कूल का जो फेमस श्लोक है युक्ताहार सविहर्ष युक्त चेष्टसु कर्मसु युक्त स्वप्न बोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः. Yoga becomes the destroyer of the pain for him who is moderate in eating and recreation, who is moderate in his exertion during actions, who is moderate in sleep and wakefulness. A comparative slides है between sattvic, rajasic and tamasic food, extracted from the Google only. Foods that are pure, light, sweet, whole grains, milk and ghee, beans and legume, nuts and seeds, sweet fruit, fresh vegetables, herbs and spices, natural sweeteners, honey, cold pressed oils. Food that are spicy and stimulating, eggs, onions and garlic, radish, eggplant, hot peppers, tomatoes, sea vegetables, fermented food, yogurt, refined sugar, caffeinated drinks, coffee and soda, tobacco and other stimulants, spicily, heavily seasoned or salted food, junk and fast foods. Tamasic foods are foods that are heavy and dull: red meat, chicken, fish, mushroom, onions, garlic, potatoes, winter, squash. Preservatives or artificial ingredients, artificial sweeteners, alcohol and recreational drugs, stale, overripe or spoiled foods, unripe fruits, fried or burned foods, frozen and canned foods, and refined biscuit. The tamasic food which is seen is mostly seen in the non-veg system में जो बहुत तीखा खाते हैं. In the you can see in the Muslim countries जो एकदम तीखा खाते हैं, and right from the birth they eat the non-veg, and especially they eat festivals and all. So ultimately in the world you see the statistic देखेगा, the origin of the war and enmity has always risen from Muslim countries, always. मध्य प्रदेश में क्या होता है? कट्वालंब तीक्ष्णः, that is 61, which are not conducive. लवणोष्ण हरित शाकः सौवीर तैल तिल स्पर्श मध्यः मत्स्यान आजादि मासम दधि तक्रः पुलक्त कोलः पिन्याक हिंगु लसुन आद्यम तपतः. bitter, acidic, pungent, salty, hot, green vegetables, oil, sesame mustard, wine, fish, goat, flesh, curd, buttermilk, onion, asafoetida, garlic, and apathy are not conducive food. Then what are conducive food? Godam, Sali, Yeva, Sashikti, Shobhanana, Shirajya, Khanda, Navanita, Sitaha, Madhuni, Suntya, Pantolaha, Kafalidika, Pancha, Shakam, Mudagadi, Divya Mudakam, Cha, Amindra Patyaha. What are Patya foods? Wheat, rice, barley, good grains, milk, ghee, jaggery, butter, sugar, dry ginger, cucumber, fruits, leafy vegetables, green gram and rainwater. क्या मिस हो गया इसमें? बड़ा ही ग्रेन मिस हो गया. एनीबडी आयडिया? श्रद्धा सांगू शकाल? श्रद्धा देशपांडे सांगू शकाल काय? वीट काहीच झाल्यानंतर काय आठवतं तुम्हाला?
ज्वारी, बाजरी.
हा, ते नाहीये. ते काल मी ते करत असताना काल मला हेच आठवण आली, ज्वार आणि बाजरी काय नाहीये. तर विजय सरचं म्हणणं असं आहे की जुना काळी किती वर्षापूर्वी लिहिली असताना इट इज रिटन फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ ओनली, नॉर्थच्या मुली सगळे जास्ती आहे. सो परहॅप्स ॲट दॅट टाइम तिकडे नव्हतं जवार आणि बाजरी. इट इज वेस्टर्न साइड आणि वेस्टर्न साइड होतं जवार आणि बाजरी, मोस्टली ऑन द वेस्टर्न साइड. म्हणून त्यामुळे ते असेल असं वाटतं. सेम प्रश्न मला आला होता. आम्ही इंटिरियर महाराष्ट्र जाऊन आय हॅव टेकन भाकरी अँड इट इज व्हेरी न्यूट्रिशियस.
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
समिता में जी बाल शाकम काल शाकम तथा पतोल पत्रकम पंचास्क प्रशांति यजस्तुकम दील भोजिकम. We may eat green fresh vegetables, balshak, black vegetables, leaves of the patola, the vastuka saka, himalochika saka. These are the 5 sakas which were praised as food fit for yogis. बालास्क म्हणजे काय सांगू शकाल? मला माहित नाही काय. विजय सर, बालास्क आणि ब्लॅक व्हेजिटेबल्स आणि बालास्क.
See, this bal shakam, kal shakam is a गावरान भाजी. अगर ये जो सब्जियां हैं, ये जो वेजिटेबल्स है, ये वेजिटेबल्स अगर कोकण में रहती थी तो उनका क्या नाम है? नाम अलग अलग रहता है. अभी दूधी भोपला, इसको लौकी भी बोलते हैं. ओके, तो लाइक दैट टाइप ऑफ सब्जियां हैं, तो इसको ठीक है, इतना सीरियसली लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. वेजिटेबल्स आर वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, पालक बिलक रहता है ना, पालक टाइप दैट, पालक या चौली, लाइक दैट अलग अलग नाम है, तो वो छोड़. ओके.
The yogic concept of itahara is itahara. Itahara is that food which is favorable, creates a state of well-being. Sattvic food comes under the category of itahara. Having determined the various concepts of food, then comes how much to eat. Mitahara, moderate food. Even something which is good for health, if taken in excess, will lead to disease. Example, ghee. Ghee is good for health. It comes under sattvic state. But when it taken in large quantity, will lead to disease. Hence, in yogic therapy, sattvic food is given at a proper intervals. Ghee. Non-original food does not form a part of yoga therapy. The tamasic effect produced by such food on the mind can be easily tested by an individual. In addition, studies have shown that the relation of disease and the meat. Fasting. Yoga में fasting की बात कर रहा है because digestive system should get at least once a week. Yeah. Fasting also plays an important part in health maintenance. By giving rest to your digestive system, the energy of the body is directed toward the repair and rebuilding activities. This is the yogic diet and sattvic ahar. Yogic diet में क्या आता है? Itahar, beneficial food. Vitahar, moderate food. And yuktahar is adequate food. Yuktahar सभी सपनों पढ़े ना पढ़. These are the various vegetables. Sattvic ahar they say which purifies the mind, body and soul. So a part of the food which goes inside the digestive system is divided into three parts. The finest part is assimilated in the blood, which is distributed to the entire body. Second part goes to the various parts, and third part, unwanted part, is excreted out. Ayurvedic diet and nutrition. इसमें ज़्यादा ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स ही ज़्यादा का ज़्यादा लीफी वेजिटेबल्स के ऊपर बात की है. Now as per Ayurveda, अष्टांग संग्रह वायु पित्तम कफा शेति त्रयो दोषः समस्तः. That which wishes the body and mind is dosha, pitta and kapha. Vata is element of air and ether. Pitta is fire and water. Kapha is water and earth. Deya dharante dhatvaha, which holds or supports the body is dhatu. Then rasada raktam, ये अष्टांग इसमें ये संग्रह है. रसाद रक्तम ततो मांसम तो मोदिस्तिः जायते ततो मज्जा ततो शुक्रम च जायते. From rasa, lymph, dhatu, rakta dhatu is formed. From lymph dhatu, rakta dhatu is formed. And from rakta dhatu, mamsa is formed, produced. And from mamsa dhatu, meda is produced. From meda dhatu, asti dhatu is formed. From asti dhatu, majja is mean the bone marrow. Dhatu is produced. And from majja dhatu, shukra, that is semen dhatu is produced. The primary aim of Ayurveda is to protect the health and maximize the joy of living. The secondary aim is the prevention of disease through systematic daily routine and promoting a spiritual lifestyle. Samadosha samagnesya samadhatu manakriya prasannamindriyama swastha itya abhiyayate. Sushruta Sahitamani. One whose three doshas, seven dhatus, and elimination of three waste is in balance, and also who have balanced and contented mind and soul is considered to be a healthy person. Satayurva Purushaha Satavirya. He lives a disease-free and potent life of 100 years with full vigor in all his senses. Sushruta further states that as we eat, we take into also the subtle influence attached to the food, prana, as well as the physical form of the food. Ahara bivardha, balam arogya, vanaratyasya prasadasya, Sushrutamani. Food builds up and supports the body, improves the complexion and general appearance. Vyadi indriya daurlabhyam, maranam chadi chatti, viruddha rasaha, viryani, muyojanti, namantvara. Harmful combination of food may cause problem on consumption. It may even cause diseases, create heaviness in the body, and at times may even cause death. तो तैतरोपनिषद क्या बोलते हैं? अन्न ब्रह्मेणि व्यजन्तः अन्नदाहे रविमल्लिनी भूतानि जायते अन्नात् जातानि जीवन्ति अन्नम प्रयांत सभी अभिशांति. Food only is the cause of creation, preservation and destruction. Hence food is in all. Annam Brahmam. It is life in itself. It is God. Here all the food articles are addressed as Annam. Next come Ayu Kamaha Manena.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा.
Yeah.
विवेक चूड़ामणि में ऐसा लिखा है कि यथा अन्नम तथा मन.
Yeah.
आप जैसा अन्न खाओगे वैसा आपका मन बनेगा.
Yes.
ओके. तो जो भी अन्न खाते हो उसका रस जो है वो रस बन के आपका मन बनता है. लाइक दैट ओनली. और अन्न तारी अन्न मारी अन्न अन्न तारी अन्न मारी मतलब
अन्न
अन्न ही
नाना विकारी.
आपको सॉरी साउंड सर.
अन्न, हाँ,
हाँ,
अन्न
बोला.
तारी अन्न मारी अन्न नाना विकारी.
यस,
रामदास.
अन्न नाना विकारी मतलब अन्न आपको सस्टेन करेगा, आपकी लाइफस्टाइल अच्छे से रहेगा. अन्न मारी मतलब आपको डिजीज हो जाएंगे. और अन्न नाना विकारी मतलब बहुत सारी डिजीज भी, अगर ओवर ईटिंग है तो आपकी ओबेसिटी बढ़ेगी. अगर अलग अलग आपको ज्यादा पकवान खा रहे हो, जो कटवा अम्ल अगर लवण खा रहे हो तो तकलीफें बढ़ेंगी. लाइक दैट. जैसे हठ प्रतिपिका में बताया है कि नॉन कंड्यूसिव फूड. ओके, लाइक दैट. सो आप अन्न खाते हो, आप अन्न को बनाते हो, आपको अन्न मिलता है और आप अन्न बनते भी हो. क्या अर्थ है इसका? आप अन्न बनाते हो, आप अन्न खाते हो एंड यू आर ऑल्सो अन्न. ये लास्ट वाला कुछ पच नहीं रहा है, डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है. यू आर ऑल्सो अन्न मीन्स व्हाट? अगर आपको बाघ खा लेगा तो बाघ का क्या है? आप अन्न हो. द टाइगर विल ईट यू, देन यू आर अ food for tiger and you are eating also food, you are making also food, so everything is food.
इसके लिए जो क्लासिफाइड है अन्नमय कोश है ना सर. पहिलं कोश जो अन्नमय कोश ही आहे ना, अन्न कोश. ते ऍड करायचं का? विवेक चूडामणी आहे माझ्याकडे पुस्तक. ऍड करायचं का विवेक चूडामणी? आयु कामाय मानेन धर्मार्थ सुख साधनम आयुर्वेद दोषः विदेह परमादरः नित्य इत्याहार विहारम सेवी समइक्षरि विशेष्य सपतः दातसम सत्यपारः स्वमनसो आपत्युषः त च भवत रोगः. He who indulges daily in healthy foods and activities, who discriminates good and bad of everything and then acts wisely, who is not attached too much with the objects of the senses, who develops the habit of charity, of considering all the equal with kindness, company of good persons only, becomes free from all the needs. This is the essence of life, to be healthy, wealthy and wise as per Ayurveda. संजय सर आहे का? संजय सर, संजय सर नाही आहे का?
आहे
बरोबर आहे ना? यू अग्री विथ दिस ना?
हो हो, ऑफकोर्स. डिसएग्रीचा काही प्रश्नच येत नाही.
Concept of nutrition. A nutritious diet occupies a dominant place in our life. A separate topic which are the nutrition diet. 2500 years, the father of modern Hippocrates said that food is the medicine. Nature cure states that it is the body that affects the cure and not the physician says the nature cure. Natural qualities in the food are very important factor in diet. An ideal diet will include wheat flour, dehusked polished rice, lot of green vegetables, leafy vegetables, modern uses of pulses, milk and milk products, intake of fresh fruits in plenty, fresh fruits intake of 8 glasses a day, salads with germinated grains and vegetables comprises the ideal diet. Awareness of the nutrients. Now comes to nutrition, then come the nutrients. The 6 ingredients of food are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Proteins. They are essential for the growth, maintenance, and regeneration of the body. The main sources are pulses, milk, eggs, meat, etc. Excess amount of proteins result in the formation of uric acid, which is harmful to the health. Carbohydrates. These are macronutrients and are in most abundant. Fruits and vegetables products made out of unrefined grain, such as whole grain breads, brown rice, root vegetables are the best carbohydrates. They provide heat and energy to the body. The surplus concentrated energy is stored in fat. They supply heat and energy to the body. Ghee and oils are the main source of fats. Awareness of nutrients. Saturated fats are butter, ghee, vegetable ghee, coconut oil, whole milk, cream, Srikhand ice cream, chocolates, cakes, eggs, meat, oyster, fish are some fats. Unsaturated fats are peanut oil, sesame oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil are unsaturated fats. Saturated and unsaturated fats. Prolonged use of saturated fats here may result in constriction of arteries, which may result in hypertension, heart attack, and other related ailments. That means all butter ghee, vegetable ghee, coconut oil. अपन पहले भी पढ़े थे कि excess use of ghee. Ghee is required as per Yogic diet. Ghee is required, but in a moderate quantity. Excess of ghee will harm the health. Srikhand, ice cream, chocolates, excess will take it. Sunflower oil, peanut oil, and sesame oil decreases the risk of developing heart disease. All fats causes weight gain and increase in the cholesterol level. Vitamins. They are the tiniest part of the diet and they are required by the body for the normal growth and tissues maintenance. Body cannot generate the same and they are to be supplied through the food we take. Vitamins are divided into two groups, the water and fat soluble. Water soluble includes B complex, आपको मालूम रहेगा B1, B2, B6 and B12. Vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, and fat soluble includes vitamin A, D and K. अभी individual vitamin के ऊपर जाएंगे. This vitamin develops and protects the cell. The same is required for healthy condition of the eyes. Vitamin A also helps in development of the bones and formation of teeth. The main source are green leafy vegetables, cabbages, carrots, red and yellow fruits and vegetables. It is also found in milk, cheese, butter, fish and cod liver oils. Vitamin B, group of 8 vitamins containing B1, B2, B6, B12, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin and folacin. It is necessary for the development of the body, appetite, healthy conditions of the eyes, nerves and skin, and for the prevention of anemia. The source is from poha, that everybody knows, milk, germinated wheat, leafy vegetables, fresh vegetables and fruits. It's also available in eggs, meat and fish. Vitamin C. This helps in formation of bones and teeth. This helps the wounds augment the resistance to the body and helps in the synthesis of the steroid hormones in the body. Deficiency causes scurry, disease of the teeth and gums, hemorrhage, osteoporosis, loss of weight, and even sterility. Osteoporosis are nothing but the pores which are found in the bones. Sources are sour fruits, tomatoes, cabbages, potatoes, green leafy vegetables with watermelon, pineapple, and pears. Vitamin D. This is important for the development of the body and also plays an important part in the formation of bones and teeth. Source: sunlight is the best natural source, also available in eggs, milk, and fish. Vitamin E, important in reproductive function, it strengthens the erythrocytes and prevents their fragmentation. Source: available milk, germinated wheat, leafy vegetables, oils, nuts, eggs, and dry fruits. Vitamin K, this is important for the production of prothrombin, which is responsible for the clotting of the blood. Wheat bran, green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, cauliflower, soybean oil, and vegetable oils. Minerals. Vitamins का सब हो गया, minerals now. Minerals mean an element in its simplest form.
विटामिन्स का आपने जो बताया ना सर जी, थोड़ा आपके चेहरे के ऊपर लाइट रखो ना प्लीज सर.
हाँ.
जो प्रेजेंटेटर है वो दिखना चाहिए ना कैसा है क्या है. हाँ, वेरी स्मार्ट गाय इन अ यंग एज. ओके, तो ये जो विटामिन आपने बताया ना, इसको ना क्या करो, इसको एक चार्ट बनाओ कि द नेम ऑफ दैट विटामिन and what is the deficiency and how can we get that vitamin. ऐसा तीन इसमें चार्ट बनाओ तो वो अच्छा दिखेगा।
3 कॉलम का चार्ट बनाता है।
हाँ, 3 कॉलम का चार्ट बनाओ, इसको भी ऐसे ही करो। ये जो है, अभी मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा सा आप ये बंद करो ना, आपका ये रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करो। मेरा क्वेश्चन ये डॉक्टर